Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti, and in today's video we are going to talk about dating applications. We are going to talk that how you can generate revenue from your own dating application, which means we are going to see the revenue generation strategies, or we can say how to monetize your dating application. So if you start your own application and want to know how you can generate revenue, or you are just curious about it, then watch the full video by then, because I've covered each and everything you should know. So let's get started. India's online dating market is growing rapidly. In 2023, it earned about 4,500 crores, and this is expected to increase to nearly 8,400 crores by 2030, growing at the rate of 9.2% every year. And popular applications like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge are becoming very popular among the adults and the professionals, because now these applications are connecting people in a very easy way and in the way they want. So if you want to start your own application, then this is the right time, because the future is amazing. Now let's go to the revenue generation strategies, that how you can monetize your application and how you can generate revenue from your own dating application. First is subscription model. So here subscription model allow your users to pay monthly or yearly depending upon what they want, and they'll get premium features like unlimited matches. Here they'll get exclusive content, amazing filters, for example according to interest or according to location. So here they are going to get this, and here you will be getting a steady income stream while providing your users a personalized experience. Plus, by subscribing, your users are going to support your application to help you to bring more amazing features for your users. Next we have is premium features. So here premium features, do you want to stand out in the whole market? Then your premium features is going to help you out. Take your dating application to the next level in the whole market with premium features you are going to provide to your audience. And here premium features offer various VIP perks like profile boosting, advanced matchmaking, or even entry to exclusive events, which can be sold individually or bonded up with the subscription for extra income. And then we have advertising. So here everyone can earn from advertising if you have your own application, may it be of any kind. But if you have a dating application, you have the data of your users and you can send them ads accordingly, the things which they will like or the things which is it a possibility that they will buy. So your advertising is also a great revenue source, because your advertising can really give you a lot of revenue if you do it properly. And lastly we have in-app purchases. So here in-app purchases, the people or the users don't need to buy the whole subscription model. Here they can buy anything when they want at the exact time. For example, profile boosting, or for example they want to gift something, some emoji or some mojicon, and they can buy anything without buying the subscription model. So here they can buy anything which they want at any time they want. So here what happens, this in-app purchases is a less source of income, but this also adds up to the overall income source, and here you are generating a huge amount of revenue, because here people don't directly buy the subscription model. First they will try. Therefore in-app purchases is a great way to attract your customers. So there you have it, all the revenue generation strategies, or how you can monetize your dating application in a basic version. And if you want to learn more tips to earn money or more features, then you can call us directly. Our team will help you at the every step of the way, and here are contact numbers given in the description box. You can call us directly. And talking about our company, then here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. So if you also want to start your own application and want to generate a huge amount of revenue, contact us directly. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you.